To Intech Education TV. If you are new in this channel, like and subscribe this video, and also smash on the notification button so that whenever I upload a video like this, YouTube will send you notification. For you to like, subscribe and smash on the notification button, you are not going to pay any amount of money. It is free, so there is nothing there for you to do that. It will not take anything away from you. Thank you for your understanding. All right, today in chemistry we are going to talk on basic terminologies, some terminologies and some things you need to know in chemistry. Like this now, the first one, in an ideal gas, there are no intermolecular forces and therefore no tendency for the gas to liquefy. Number two, that's the second one, which is Charles Law says that at a constant pressure, the volume of a fixed mass of gas is proportional to its temperature. The third one, the zero on the Kelvin scale of temperature is the temperature at which the volume of an ideal gas becomes zero. The fourth one, Boyle's law says that provided the temperature is kept constant, the volume of a fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Then the fifth one, which comprises of two sections, this is the first section. Shielding of outer electrons by inner electrons causes ionization energies to decrease. Increasing nuclear charge causes ionization energies to increase. And this is the second section of it. That the effect of increasing nuclear charge wanes across a period, but shielding wanes going down the group. For these reasons, ionization energies increase across a period and decrease down a group. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and also smash on the notification button. See you in my next video.